Equation of the circle, standard equation, part 2. I-recall natin ang equation of the circle in standard form or in center radius form, which is x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared equals r squared, where h, k are the coordinates of the center and r is the radius. Determine the equation of the circle given the center at negative 5, 2 and the point on the circle, negative 2, 5. In this problem, wala tayong radius. Dun sa previous video natin, given na yung center and radius. But this time, ang binigay sa atin ay yung center na negative 5, 2 at yung any point on the circle na negative 2, 5. Kaya sa equation of the circle, kailangan natin yung r na radius. Yung r dito is simply the distance between the 2 points. Para i-solve, gamitin natin yung standard equation of the circle. Meron tayong center na negative 5, 2. Ang h mo dyan ay yung negative 5. Sa mga previous video natin, para i-plug yung x-coordinate ng center sa ating equation of the circle, mas madali kung papalitan mo lang siya ng sign. Kung ang nasa center ay negative 5, pagdating dun sa equation, magiging x plus 5 na siya, then squared. Para naman dun sa y-coordinate ng center natin, which is the k, positive 2 yung nandito, kaya ang magre-reflect sa equation mo ay y minus 2 squared equals r squared. Kasi wala pa tayong radius dun sa given. Para mahanap yung r, yung radius, para makumpleto yung equation of the circle, gagamitin natin yung point on the circle. Yung negative 2, ipa-plug in natin yan sa x. At yung 5 naman ay para dun sa y, equals r squared. I-simplify, negative 2 plus 5 ay positive 3. Kopyahin yung squared. Para naman sa sumunod, 5 minus 2 ay positive 3 pa din. Then copy yung squared equals r squared. Simplify, 3 squared is 3 times 3, 9 equals r squared. 9 plus 9 is 18 equals r squared. R squared yung nasa right side ng equation. At alam natin na ang r squared daw ay equal sa 18. Yun ang ilalagay natin dito. Therefore, the answer is quantity x plus 5 squared plus the quantity of y minus 2 squared equals 18. Another example. Determine the equation of the circle given the center at 4, 5 and a point on the circle 7, negative 1. Equation of the circle natin ay ito. I-plug in yung coordinates ng center. Umpisahan natin sa x-coordinate. Kung positive 4 yan, sa equation lalabas siya na x minus 4 squared. Para naman sa y-coordinate, magiging y minus 5 squared equals r squared. Gamitin natin yung coordinates na given dun sa other point, yung a point on the circle. Yung 7 dito, yan ang isa-substitute dun sa x. At yung negative 1 naman para dun sa y, equals r squared. 7 minus 4 is 3, then copy yung squared. Negative 1 minus 5, that is negative 6. Copy yung squared, equals r squared. Simplify, 3 squared is equal to 9. Negative 6 squared is equal to 36. Kasi negative 6 times negative 6 ay positive 36. Equals r squared. 9 plus 36 ay 45. R squared yung nasa right side ng equation, which is equal to 45. Ipalit, this is the final answer. Next example, determine the equation of the circle given the endpoints of the diameter, 3, 4, and 9, negative 2. Illustrate natin. Ang binigay ay yung dalawang dulo, yung 3, 4 at 9, negative 2. Para malaman yung equation of the circle, ang kailangan mo ay yung center at radius. Pero dito sa given natin, wala tayong center, wala ding radius. Paano natin gagamitin yung mga points na binigay? Ang line segment na to ay isang diameter. At by definition, alam natin na ang diameter ay isang line segment na dumadaan sa center ng circle. Yung center na yon ng circle ay ang midpoint ng line segment na to. Para makuha ang coordinates ng center or yung midpoint ng line segment natin, gagamit tayo ng midpoint formula. Kung saan, kinukuha natin yung average nung x-coordinates at nung y-coordinates. 3 plus 9 divided by 2. Para naman sa y-coordinate ng midpoint natin, 4 plus negative 2 divided by 2. 3 plus 9 is 12, then divided by 2. 4 plus negative 2 is positive 2 divided by 2. Simplify natin. 12 divided by 2 ay 6. 2 divided by 2 ay 1. Ang midpoint na to, ang center ng circle. Ilagay na natin ang center dun sa equation of the circle in standard form, wherein ang h natin ay 6 at ang k natin ay 1. Magkakaroon ka na ng x minus 6 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals r squared. Para malaman kung ano yung r squared, pumili ka lang dito sa dalawang points na to, kung 3, 4 or 9, negative 2. Unahin na lang natin yung 9, negative 2. Yung 9 dito ang ipapalit sa x at yung negative 2 naman ang ipapalit sa y. Simplify, 9 minus 6 ay 3, copy yung squared, plus negative 2 minus 1 ay negative 3, then squared, equals r squared. 3 squared is equal to 9 and negative 3 squared is also 9. 9 plus 9 ay 18. Yung 18 na to ang ipapalit natin sa r squared. Ang final answer ay x minus 6 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 18. Tingnan natin kung magiging parehas ang sagot kung 3, 4 ang ginamit. Unahin natin ang pag-plug in ng center sa standard equation of the circle. Katulad nito. Yung 3 ang ipapalit natin sa x at yung 4 naman ang ipapalit sa y. Simplify. 3 minus 6 is negative 3, then squared. Plus, 4 minus 1 ay 3. Squared equals r squared. Negative 3 squared ay 9. 3 squared is also 9. Equals r squared. 9 plus 9 is 18. Yon ang ipapalit natin sa r squared. Parehas lang ang sagot natin kahit alin dito sa dalawa na to ang gamitin. Final answer, parenthesis x minus 6 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 18. Practice time. Determine the equation of the circle given the center is at 3, negative 7 and a point on the circle is at negative 2, negative 6. For number 2, determine the equation of the circle given the endpoints of the diameter are negative 13, 12 and 15, negative 4. Pause the video para mas mahaba ang oras na mag-solve. Later, we'll pause the answer and the solution. For number 1, final answer, parenthesis x minus 3 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 26. For number 2, the equation of the circle is parenthesis x minus 1 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 260. Thanks for watching. See you on the next lesson.